Hello and welcome to Hidden Intelligence in a Modern Car, a masterclass series on automotive networking. I'm Dr. Priyalata. Imagine an autonomous vehicle traveling at highway speed. Suddenly, the steering communication network fails. Brake messages are delayed. Sensor synchronization is lost. Now ask yourself, what prevents a communication fault from becoming a fatal accident? Modern vehicles are no longer simple mechanical systems. They are distributed electronic architectures, real time communication ecosystems, and software driven safety platforms. In such systems, even a small communication failure can create catastrophic consequences. This is why modern automotive engineering depends heavily on functional safety, and the center of functional safety is ISO 26262. Today, we will deeply explore functional safety principles, hazard analysis, ASIL classification, safety goals, redundancy, fail safe and fail operational systems, communication safety in automotive networking. This topic forms the backbone of safety critical vehicle engineering. Functional safety means ensuring that a system continues operating safely even when faults occurs. Functional safety is not general reliability, mechanical durability, product quality alone. Instead, it focuses specially on risk caused by system malfunction. Let's take an example. A vehicle speed sensor fails. If the failure is detected correctly, handled safely, and prevents unsafe behavior, then the system is functionally safe. Why functional safety becomes critical? Because motor vehicles are mostly mechanical and limited electronic dependency. Modern vehicles use brake-by-wire, steer-by-wire, ADAS, autonomous systems, and software-defined control. Now, electronic failures directly affect steering, braking, acceleration, and driver safety. The safety engineering becomes essential. Modern vehicles are safety critical cyber physical systems. Communication networks themselves are now part of vehicle safety. Introduction to ISO 26262. ISO 26262 is the international standard for functional safety for road vehicles. It is derived from IEC 61508 but specially adapted for automotive systems. The purpose of ISO are it provides structured methods for hazard analysis, risk assessment, safety lifecycle management, system design validation, and safety verification. It's used across hardware, software, and communication systems. Functional safety must be designed from the beginning, not added later. Next comes the hazard analysis and risk assessment, HARA. One of the most important process in ISO 26262 is HARA, hazard analysis and risk assessment. HARA identify potential hazards, severity of consequences, probability of occurrence, and driver controllability. Let's take a simple example. Suppose a brake communication failure occurs during highway driving. The possible consequences are loss of braking and vehicle collision. This becomes a safety hazard. The three important factors are severity. How serious is the consequence? S0 stands for no injuries. S1 stands for light injuries. S2 means severe injuries. And S3 means life-threatening. Similarly, exposure. How frequently can the situation occurs? E0 stands for extremely unlikely and E4 stands for very frequent. And controllability. Can the driver control the situation safely? C0 stands for easily controllable and C3 stands for difficult or impossible. Combining these factors, HARA determines the ASIL level, which defines requires safety regard. ASIL classification. ASIL stands for Automotive Safety Integrity Level. Different levels of ASILs are QM, Basic Quality Management, ASIL A, Lower Safety Management, ASIL B, Moderate Safety Requirement, and ASIL C, High Safety Requirement, ASIL D, Highest Safety Criticality. Let's take an example. Infotainment volume control is QM. It has a minimum safety impact, whereas the power steering communication is ASIL D, where the failure can directly affect the vehicle control. Why ASIL matters? Because ASIL determines design rigor, testing requirements, redundancy requirements, and verification complexity. Higher ASIL, more stringent engineering requirements. Safety in automotive networking. Communication networks are now deeply safety critical. Imagine, brake ECU receives corrupted CAN message because of the steering command is delayed and serious synchronization failure. This will become dangerous. Thus, communication safety mechanisms are essential. The safety mechanisms in CAN can include CRC error detection, bit monitoring, acknowledgement checking, and fault confinement. These improve communication reliability. The additional safety measures or modern systems also use message counters, timeouts, redundant communication, end-to-end protection, and safe state monitoring. Safety communication is not only about detecting faults but also responding safely after detection. Fail-safe versus failed operational system. Fail-safe systems. When fault occurs, system enters safe condition. Let's take an example. Electric window stops operating safely. Whereas in failed operational system continues operating safely even during faults. It's critical in autonomous vehicles, steer-by-wire and brake-by-wire. Let's take one example. If one communication channel fails, backup network continues operation. This requires redundant ECUs, redundant communication paths, and backup power systems. Autonomous vehicles increasingly requires failed operational architecture because sudden shutdown may itself become dangerous. Redundancy in automotive systems. Hardware redundancy, communication redundancy, sensor redundancy, and power redundancy. Redundancy improves reliability, fault tolerance, and safety availability. More redundancy increases cost, complexity, and validation effort. The safety engineering always involves trade-off optimization. Functional safety in autonomous vehicles. Future autonomous vehicles requires massive software complexity, AI decision systems, centralized computing, and high-speed networking. This creates new safety challenges like AI validation, real-time synchronization, cybersecurity interaction, and software reliability. Functional safety is evolving rapidly to support this future. Today we explored functional safety standards, ISO 26262 framework, HARA process, ASIL classification, communication safety mechanisms, fail-safe and fail operational systems, redundancy in automotive networking. Modern vehicles are becoming intelligent, autonomous, software-driven. But intelligence without safety is unacceptable. Functional safety ensures the advanced technology remains trustworthy, reliable, and safe for human life. As automotive engineers, you're not just designing systems, you're designing systems people will trust with their lives. Follow the channel for more videos.